Hello, welcome back to welcome back to Tenor Malware. And today we have a budget gaming PC which will allow us to play at 1080p and 1440p at mid and high. So starting with our motherboard, we have the MSI Pro Series H270 motherboard. This is a great motherboard for the budget. Have everything we need and have USB 2.0, 4 USB 3.1, 2.0, and 1 USB Type-C 3.1, 1 USB 3.0. 3.1. Also have mic and headphone jack. And have just HDMI and 1 GB LAN port and DVI and DVI-D LAN connector, video connector. Also, this motherboard allows us to install M.2 drive in the future if we wanted to. We can have SLI and Crossfire. It's a great looking motherboard and will do the job done. Let's move on. It's around $199. For the budget, it's a great motherboard. For the processor, we choose the Intel Core i5 7500. It's a great processor for gaming, and it's a good for the budget. This is current 4 cores, 4 threads, 3.8 gigahertz, 3.8 gigahertz, and it's coming around $201 and not 89. For this price, you don't need a 4-core 8-thread hyper-threading processor for gaming. This is a great processor which gonna be it's gonna be living for a long time. And if you want to be in the future upgrading this to other Core i5 more higher, then you have the ability. For the RAM, I choose the Keystone HyperX 4040 Black 8GB kit. This is a 8GB kit running at 2133 MHz, which is DDR4, which is a great for the budget, which is allow us to do all games that we need and all games that we want to be playable. In the future, if we want to upgrade more to 60GB, you can. But if you want gaming, you're not gonna be nothing creating. You're just gonna be gaming. With 8GB of RAM, it will be enough. And it's a great RAM for the budget. Now it's coming $79. It's a great motherboard. It's a great RAM. Let's move on. For the graphics card, I chose FSX Radeon RS 480 8GB custom tuning of C graphics card. This graphics card is a 8GB. It's a 8GB RS 480, which allows to play all games, all titles at 1080p and 1440p. At 1080p, it will be very high if you want to, depending the games, and 1440p will be around high and mid, because it's a higher resolution. Also, this will match with our case and our products. It's a great graphics card for the budget. It's coming around $229.99. It's great for the budget, and let's move on. To install all drivers and parent system, I have 120GB solid-state drive from Kingston. This is a great budget SSD, which allows us to take our parent system to boot fast and reliable. It's 120 megabyte read and 430 megabyte writes. It's a great SSD, and will do the job done only for our drivers and parent system to boot fast. To install all the massive games, all we need music, everything. We have 1 TB the Western Digital Blue as a hard drive. This hard drive will allow us to install all games, everything. Without fully our SSD. It's a great choice for this build for budget PC, and it's coming around $49.99. It's a great hard drive for the money. Let's move on. To power all components, we'll be using EVGA 650 watt power supply. This power supply is came with all the cables, red, all black, better than the Catcher Master cables. It's a great power supplies, which will be allowing us to connect all the cable that we need, all everything. Which is a great power supply. It's not certified by any metal or gold, but it's for budget PC. It's a great power supply. It's coming around $26. It's a great power supply, and will make it the job done. To put all components to a home, we have the Corsair Carbine Aspect 1. This is a great looking case which offer red LEDs, USB 2.1, USB 2.0, and USB 3.0, and have turn on switch and reset switch. It's a great case which will allow us to install more hard drives in the future. It's a great looking case, and for the budget, it's good also. It's a good choice. It's coming around $49.98. Our total is coming $807.80 and 8 cents. This is a great gaming PC for the budget, and will allow us to play all titles and all games to make our gear great and nice. Which you guys gonna have a lot of fun play with this PC. All games at 1080p high at 1080, and medium is high, and 44. It's a great gaming PC. If you want to bring that cost a little bit lower, you can get the 4 GB edition of the RS480. And if you don't care of the speed, you can only have the 1 TB hard drive. With the 4 GB RS480, you are limited to 1080, when 1080p is 4 GB is enough. For 1440p, which is a high-end resolution, you will need a little more. So the RS480 8 GB is a great choice. This is it for our budget gaming PC for the season. And if you like this video, share with your friends. Remember to share and subscribe and hit like, and don't forget to share. Thank you for watching, and have a great night and have a great evening.